Okay, first of all, thank you so much for having me here. I'm really excited to be here. My name is Peder Remman. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Boneprox, who specializes in detection of diseases based on just standard dental x-rays. So, everything is based on my colleague Anton Kärrbrink's grandfather, Kjell Kärrbrink, who saw with a group of researchers that you can detect osteoporosis based on just standard dental x-rays. And this is based on data from research projects that he, together with some researchers all around Europe, came together with. And I just want to start off the presentation by showing you a short video of what we're doing.
Osteoporosis is a major and growing public health problem. 50% of all women and 25% of all men will suffer from the disease at some point. A sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy diet, and genetics are some of the factors that contributes to increased risk. Today, the disease is often detected first after a fracture has occurred, but if the condition is detected at an early stage, small lifestyle changes can help improve your bone health and prevent bone fractures from happening. Boneprox is a patented solution that uses new technology to analyze bone density based on a standard X-ray at your dentist, and you will receive the answer immediately. Ask for a bone density control the next time you are at the dentist. More information is available at boneprox.com.
Okay, so to sum it up, we are actually connecting the dental care to healthcare. We are solving a problem at the healthcare by using the availability of the dental care. And this is due to the fact that you go to the dentist in order to prevent things from happening, while to the healthcare you go when something has already happened. Which makes the dental care actually the perfect place to start screening for different diseases. And as we all know, preventive healthcare is the future. And Boneprox consists of a very competent team within business development, artificial intelligence, and of course a scientific team of world-leading researchers who are extremely important for us in order to deliver high-quality services. And of course to strive through goals. So, in order for you guys to understand the problem we are solving, you need to know what the problem actually is, which is osteoporosis, or often referred to as the silent epidemic due to the lack of symptoms that it shows. So osteoporosis is a natural part of the aging process, causing the bone to break down faster than it's built up, making it more fragile. And today, osteoporosis is actually one of the biggest cost drivers in Swedish healthcare, with the most hospitalized days after stroke. And unfortunately, Scandinavia is on the top of the world. So how are we detecting osteoporosis today? Well, the problem is that we aren't. We are waiting until the first fracture occurs before we are doing the final examination, which means that we are one step too late. And this is due to the fact that existing solutions are pretty resource demanding. There are large machines that requires additional installations, radiations, and of course educated personnel. So this is where we come in. So Boneprox, as we mentioned earlier, has a patented solution together with artificial intelligence that can detect risk for osteoporosis based on just a standard dental x-ray. And the amazing part here is that we are using existing patient contact, because everybody here goes to the dentist in order to detect caries, for instance. And when you're taking this image, that's the image we are using for the risk assessment, which means that we are just exploiting information that already is there. So in order for this to work, the infrastructure needs to be simple. So what we've done, we've built a cloud-based platform that allows dentists to just upload the image and then receive the analysis right away within 5 seconds. And while applying this on several dental clinics here in Scandinavia, we also received a lot of requests that, hey, can we send other images? Can we detect other diseases based on these images that we're taking? And this is where we saw another gap in the market. So when a dentist is unsure of something, they want to consult with a specialist. And today this is done through very traditional methods, such as mail, email, disc. Some are also sending MMS, which is, I don't know if that's GDPR safe, but still. And this causes the waiting lines to increase because the response time is so long. So if you go to the dentist and you want to see if there's a serious condition such as a mouth mucosal change, it could take up to 8 months before you receive the answer. So since we have the infrastructure, we opened up to what we call teledentistry. That allows dentists to get diagnosis on images no matter where in Sweden they are. So it doesn't matter if you're a dentist in Haparanda, you can still get a consultation from a specialist in Gothenburg. And we've actually already seen a significant decrease in response time. So today our dental clinics, who traditionally has a response time of 8 months for mouth mucosal changes, has been reduced to 12 hours, which is amazing. And is it possible to improve this even further? Yeah, we believe that in the future that will absolutely be possible, and that is what we call Boneprox Alert, which is artificial intelligence-based risk assessments based on just standard dental x-rays. So imagine that you go to the dentist for a regular checkup, you take this regular standard x-ray, and then you receive a full status of osteoporosis, cardiovascular diseases, and risk for heart attack. And then, of course, a clear pathway for how to prevent these things from happening. And that's what we call the future. So, finally, I just want to end this presentation by bragging a little bit from our time at Times Square. Nothing more than that. My name is Peder Remman. Thank you for listening.